Hello everyone, we are here at the event organized by the Fagor Automation team in Bangalore.
I personally welcome all our customers, friends and colleagues to this event. I must also thank the entire Fagor Automation because we came out with a magazine, this January 2025 magazine, during IMTEX. And when we came to know that Fagor Automation is having such a kind of event where so many manufacturers are coming, we thought this is the right time to release this.
Hundreds of industry leaders attended the event where Machine Maker launched its January 2025 magazine.
We want more Make in India products, yes or no? Yes. So, there is one Indian machine tool builder, Cosmos, I think you may be doing, right? It was very amazed to see a 5-axis machine from Cosmos which is delivering successfully precision component which comes under 3 to 4 microns, the accuracy. They are able to consistently do it, and that happened because of the feedback systems from Fagor.
Rakesh Patel, the CEO and Managing Director of Fagor Automation, was one of the Metalworking leader nominated by the industry in the 24 of 2024 edition. For this achievement, he was facilitated by Mr. Vicente Gomez, the Trade Council of Spain.
When I started with Fagor in 2016, we had a lot of challenges, and all the time, every time, I would appreciate my team, and they were there with me in all the hurdles. So I would like to invite them to the stage to take a photo, and that is where, because this is not my, how to say that this is not my only gift. This is a team effort, and the team have done really good work in the last few years.
I'm highly competitive again and deprived in the fact that they have been here in India for so many years. Rakesh, congratulations. I have been told that you are very hard to that effort in the India market, so congratulations again.
From Fagor for feedback systems, CNC systems, all the latest technologies, very good pricing, economical, and the highest cutting-edge solutions for our customers.
Cutting and this vending machine. In that, I came to know that the accuracy is coming from Fagor Automation. Like that only I met Rakesh. Both we are doing so many business. So that I congratulate Rakesh as well as Fagor Automation.
Last 5-6 years, we are totally 80% of our consumption of Fagor for the feedback devices, for the encoders and linear scales. And now most of the customers are accepted, and the services, the support is amazing. And we are actually increased the ratio. And recently, last 1 year, we are working Fagor for CNC control. And in the CNC control, we started using for a big machine, for 5-axis and also for SMT machines. And the support and application, feedbacks and everything is very good.
फैगोर ऑटोमेशन के साथ लास्ट 10 साल से एसोसिएटेड है, एंड फैगोर टीम जो स्पेनिश प्रोडक्ट्स है, CNCs, ड्राइव्स, मोटर्स, इनकोडर्स एंड फीडबैक डिवाइसेस में अच्छा नाम एंड क्वालिटी इज़ ऑल्सो गुड. जब भी हम फैगोर के साथ प्रोडक्ट्स लेते हैं तो हमें अच्छा सर्विस मिलता है. फैगोर का टीम अच्छा है, सेल्स टीम से लेके सर्विस एंड सपोर्ट तक हमें गुड सर्विस मिलता है.
We are working with Fagor from the year 2021. Made us mingle with them and give solutions to customer, especially the solutions for 5-axis machining centers and solution for CNC packages as well as feedback systems was really great.